improvement I want to highlight is improvements in complex instruction following. This one is near and dear to me because I've spent many hours working on Claude's system prompt. And we're finding that as agent systems become more complex, the system prompts and sets of instructions that govern Claude's behavior are getting longer. So, for example, our own Claude AI system prompt is about 16,000 tokens right now. So that's 16,000 tokens of instructions that Claude needs to be able to follow. For Claude to work in these systems, it's important that its behaviors are steerable by you, the developer. So you're each building different applications that may have different requirements and principles that govern Claude's behavior. We've trained Claude 4 models specifically to be able to follow instructions within long and complex system prompts, longer than 10,000 tokens, for example. It's easier to steer Claude when to use tools and when not to use tools. And in our own system prompt, this improved instruction following has actually allowed us to reduce the size of the prompt by 70%. Finally, I want to highlight improvements on a behavior we call reward hacking. So reward hacking is when models take shortcuts to achieve an outcome or a result without actually solving the problem at hand. You can think of it like hard coding tests or commenting them out. This behavior is extremely trust-busting for users. So when you see it happen, it makes you feel like you have to meticulously review everything Claude does and every line of code. While we don't consider this an entirely solved problem, Claude 4 models show significantly reduced tendency to reward hack. On an evaluation set of problems that were selected due to this tendency in past models, Claude 4 shows more than 80% less tendency towards the behavior. And this means you can better trust Claude to complete your task the right way while being honest about its limitations and uncertainties.